Hello, got another BCP that I'm pretty excited to share with you all. Originally I was coining these like mashed carrots because I was going to leave them in the break-in machine, but they turned out smooth enough that I figured they didn't need to, so they're just OP carrots. As the name implies, these are made from an OP black bottom housing, a 63 gram slow spring, a Texi carrot stem, and a Hyperglide cherry top. These are probably the smoothest feeling BCPs I've possibly made, even more so than the typical Zaku or Husky variant. And the stem's blue! I think what contributes most to the smoothness would be the OP black bottom, which is a polished nylon bottom, and even the OP carrots in stock form surprised me at just how smooth they were, feeling similar to like a Texi ice candy. For the stem, I opted for the Texi carrot, originally for the stem color alone, since my favorite switch way back when was the Soho linear switch, which had a similar blue stem. The Texi carrot is a long pole POM stem that originally came with factory lube, but I cleaned it off and re-lubed with 205 grade 0. There's not much to talk about for the top housing since it just comes off old Hyperglides that I've had lying around, and you know what they are, they're cherry tops. If you're interested in creating the switch for yourself, here's a little bit of a cost breakdown. OP Blacks would run you about 70 cents a switch depending on the vendor, Texi carrots at roughly 54 cents from Keeps for All, Hyperglides at roughly 39 cents from Divinity, bringing the total to about $1.63 per switch. While this isn't the most expensive BCP, it's slightly more expensive than standard BCPs with the cream stems and alpaca bottoms. I'll play sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one.